Hello guys, use my phone Realme 7 Pro. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Open box and look completion. Device in the blue color. Okay, dark blue color. On this we have protected back cover and completion. In completion we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. And this key for SIM slot. This all completion. Okay, only headphones we don't have. Okay, display Full HD Plus resolution. This is Super AMOLED Matrix and Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. Qualcomm Snapdragon 720, octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, CPU speed 1.8 and 2.3 GHz, GPU Adreno 618, and look results, CPU test results and GPU test results, good results, and open AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu score results. AnTuTu score, very good result. Close this and run GTA San Andreas. On the right side we have power key. On the left side volume keys and slot for nano SIM card. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. On the back side triple camera, quad camera and the LED. Resume game on the maximum graphic level. GTA San Andreas on the maximum graphic level. Works very good, without lags and glitches, without any problem. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main quad camera 64 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.